Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will introduce to you the software to comment on YouTube Shorts in bulk. First, go to the seeding function section. Then select the seeding Shorts feature, and you will need to enter the Shorts link you want to comment on. I will take an example of any video. OK, and we will copy this video link and paste it into the software. Step 2 is to enter the content you want to comment on here. You can let it comment with the same content or not. Finally, select your account category and click the Start button. Let's see it work. I will leave the software download link and contact in the description. If you are interested in the software, please message me via Telegram.